If you be honest with me, nothing bad is going to happen. Did I not say that? Did I say you're not the first person under 21 to drink alcohol? Did I not say that also?
You did.
Okay.
I understand.
547. We're turning simple civil stuff into criminal. Yeah, you're under arrest.
On the 5th of May 2024, a Florida Beach hotel officer stopped a 19-year-old for underage drinking. Possession under age 21 is a civil infraction under Section 562.11. 1. Not a crime. Maximum penalty: a $500 fine. Providing a false date of birth to law enforcement is a first-degree misdemeanor under Section 901. 361 up to 1 year in jail. She began facing the first charge. She ended facing the second by her own choice.
What does that mean? Are you lying about something? Okay. So, why did you lie after I gave you multiple?
It's just stressful.
I gave you an option. Put your head on my bed.
You lied about your name?
And date of birth.
Not my name though.
Doesn't matter. You make me do extra work.
I can have my
How old are you?
19.
Okay. I literally said to you, oh, she's going to jail. She's getting criminally charged. What did I say? What did I say? I said, are you the first person under 21 to drink alcohol? I think I've been nothing but fair, and I gave multiple opportunities. Okay?
I understand.
I literally asked you 3 times, are you over 21? Are you over 21? Every time, yes, yes, yes. What's your name and day of birth? You gave me the same name and day of birth twice. Okay? I literally gave you every opportunity to be honest with me, and you continue to lie. So now you're getting charged with a crime.
I've never been in a situation.
Okay, so you've never been in a situation. The answer is not to lie to the police. After I literally said to you, if you be honest with me, nothing bad is going to happen. Did I not say that? Did I say you're not the first person under 21 to drink alcohol? Did I not say that also?
You did.
Okay.
I understand.
547.
547.
Then I have a female 1015.
1015 and 1520.
This isn't what I do. That's the thing. I just don't do this ever.
We're turning simple civil stuff into criminal.
I know.
That's criminal now.
I know, and I'm.
Okay, she provided a fake date of birth to me twice. We're done. I've given every opportunity to come honest and everything.
I literally.
What's your real birthday?
2004.
Okay. It would have been a lot
It's
easier.
11/29, 2004.
Okay.
You're good.
I don't do this though. That's why it's so frustrating.
I don't do this either. You think I
Just gotta be honest. Honesty.
I'm sorry.
Dave, it's gotta be in my bag.
Please and thank you. I got bit once. I want to get bit again. Okay.
I think I've been nothing but fair and giving you
I agree.
multiple opportunities to be honest.
I agree.
I can't help what you do after that.
I agree.
You got bits?
Can this have to stay on?
Yeah, you're under arrest.
The officer's promise, "nothing bad will happen if you're honest," raises a due process question under Traylor v. State. Florida courts hold that leniency promises can render statements involuntary if they overcome the suspect's will. Here, the promise was honored. No underage possession charge was filed. The criminal charge arose solely from the false identification conduct distinct from what the promise covered. The due process argument fails on these facts. Section 901, 361, requires 2 elements: a lawful investigation and a false date of birth provided knowingly. Both are satisfied here. Florida imposes no general duty to identify during a detention. Silence would have protected this subject entirely. But once she chose to speak, speaking falsely became a crime. She provided a false date of birth twice, on camera, after explicit warnings. The statute requires no more than that.
I don't know about that.
If you have anything here, I don't want to send you to jail in a bikini. So, Connor, let's go.
I think it has a
This is her stuff? This is criminal I literally said what was going to happen. If you give me fake information, that'd be providing false information to law enforcement.
You get some other. If you hold on the screen, you get to see some other ones. I think
Is this her stuff? Listen,
Sir, I'm
5 seconds.
I'm trying, sir. I really am.
We'll put that on. When we get out of, let's get out of the limelight. We're in the midst of her. Is that your bag?
What else do you have?
Is that all your
I just don't know if
stuff?
all my stuff's in it.
Okay. What are you looking for? A phone?
I think it's just my phone. I don't know where I put it. This is scary.
The mother took the firearm from He's going to be 26-year-old.
A little bit, bro. I'm telling you, you're gonna. Is this yours right here?
You don't win for that song. It's bad. I don't like getting
We'll do you first.
I hate getting the ocean. He's I'm about to call it a little fish. He's in the ocean, they're trapped in the urine.
Is that true?
Get a mugshot.
It's like right there.
It ain't good, but
Yeah, that'd be great.
it's better than getting a criminal record not getting a mugshot.
547 CD.
If only I was like flexible to like do that.
I know you're busy with that D3 call, but all right, here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna take your handcuffs off. I doubt you're gonna do anything stupid, right? You're gonna put this on so we can
Okay.
speed up this
Can I
process.
put on the
You can
dress
put on
thing?
whichever one you want.
Because it has shorts, so it's just easier.
I'm taking your handcuffs off completely.
Okay.
So I gotta go back on after, but
Okay.
I doubt you're gonna do something
Yeah.
stupid to make this situation way worse than it needs to be,
Definitely
right?
not.
Okay. I don't.
Oh.
So good.
547, do you have traffic
I think if
on
I
that?
stand up, I might piss my pants.
Awful.
Just trying to advise PT that we're in the Hilton parking lot. They just seem to keep lapping the traffic circle.
Okay. We spoke to them on the phone and told them exactly where to go and what you told us, so I'm not certain what their issue is.
Copy, and there's no way to put myself in contact with one of them.
Okay.
I just gotta put these back on. I'm not gonna put them tight, so. Do not do not slip them or do anything.
No, that's fine.
Again, we don't want to make this worse than.
No, I understand.
Hold on.
Oh.
Yeah, I don't want them to tighten.
I didn't get through it, I was fine.
All right.
That good?
Yep. I think we should just drive to them because this is ridiculous.
That way.
No, you go that way.
It's worse since you're documented as an official buyer.
Okay.
Down this way. Separate your feet.
Right here.
There we go. Walk the cuff in the front. Come to the more comfortable. Is there any chance you're pregnant?
No.
Okay.
Did they change that to a suspicious act?
They did. They took care of it, I guess. So he wasn't waving it. He was just in his possession. Yeah.
Yeah.
Your arm a little bit.
I'm separated.
He said
You're not going anywhere
that.
near
With him.
You're not going anywhere near.
Sorry.
Might even get a show when they get out of jail because they might
I don't want to know if I want that.
and they're gonna rip him probably out of there. So don't worry.
You have any people anywhere. Careful when you head over there, okay? You can sit over here or yeah, sit over there.
Okay, this is your stuff.
The officer receives an A-, 3 documented warnings, lawful investigation, post-arrest accommodations, exceeding minimum obligation. Sole deduction. Nothing bad will happen is imprecise language. It creates unnecessary suppression risk. The subject receives a D. She stated on camera, "We're turning simple civil stuff into criminal." She knew exactly what her choices meant. She chose to lie. The criminal charge is her own creation. 3 takeaways. First, in Florida, underage possession is a civil infraction under Section 562.11, not a crime. Know the offense category before deciding how to respond. Second, Section 901.36 prohibits false identification, not silence. The right to remain silent is absolute. The right to lie does not exist. Third, when an officer honors a promise by charging only what it did not cover, no due process argument survives under Traylor v. State. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. If this encounter raised questions about Florida's civil versus criminal distinction in alcohol enforcement, the resources in our description go deeper. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction and courtroom content.